Hello, guys. Welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back updates and information as the hot. The information reaching us now is that Mazi Simon Eba has announced a long sit-at-home order. Mazi Simon Eba has come again. He has announced a long sit-at-home demanding for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This one is going to be hot too. They say the kind pressure self where we say Mazi Simon Eba they take they doing own thing. Say the man no come out to play. Say anything where he talk, say people must obey. Because now I be the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. And the sit at home you go long go, you know go be small thing. Meanwhile, if you never join us for our social media handle, I bet go join us for Facebook, join us also for this YouTube. I bet go and subscribe to our channel. That's the only way you can tell us, oh, this work when they do, we like them. Or make we carry you go for that news as it hot. Simon Eba, a popular Biafra agitator and separatist, on Wednesday announced a week-long sit-at-home to demand the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Eba, the Finland-based lawyer and Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile, in a statement disclosed that there will be a sit-at-home from July 3rd to July 10th, 2023. He noted that there will be a break on the 6th July. Eba stated that the sit-at-home was necessary for the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu and in preparation for Biafra's referendum. He urged all market leaders, companies, and individuals in the southeast to comply. The Biafra Republic government in exile, BRGIE, and Biafra de facto government in homeland wish to notify Biafrans that there will be a sit-at-home civil disobedience starting from 3rd July 2023 to 10th July 2023. There will be a break on 6th July 2023 where all Biafran markets will be open. This at home is for the following reasons. Demand the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who remains illegally detained at the DSS dungeon, in preparation for Biafra's self-referendum, to further put the world on notice that Biafrans are taking their future into their own hands, to demonstrate that the Biafra Republic government in exile remains the only legitimate government to whom the Biafran people listen and are loyal, to invalidate the illegitimacy of those who parade themselves as Nigeria's representatives within the Biafra territory. The sit-at-home will therefore take place in the following order: Monday 3rd July 2023 to Wednesday 5th July 2023. There will be a total lockdown in Biafra land. Thursday 6th July 2023. 2023 will be break. All Biafra markets will open Friday 7th 2023 to Monday 10th 2023. There will be total lockdown in Biafra land. We hereby call on all market leaders to strictly adhere to this order and treat it with utmost seriousness. We also call on oil companies operating in the Biafra territory to shut down oil exploration on these days to avoid anger of Biafran people, which may come with heavy consequences, stated. My people, you go hot to, you go hot to, you go hot to, you go hot to, you go hot to. This one now the way we say it don't happen now. Nobody know how this one is going to be. As you can see, you see plenty things where we say Simon Eba don't talk there. Make I show you that thing again. Make you see the reason. He say number one, Osiamo, he say not to demand the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who remains illegally detained at the DSS dungeon, in preparation for Biafra's self-referendum, to further put the world on notice that Biafrans are taking their future into their own hands, to demonstrate that the Biafra Republic government in exile remains the only legitimate government to whom the Biafran people listen to. I don't know if you are paying attention to this thing that I'm reading out and are loyal to invalidate the illegitimacy of those who parade themselves as Nigeria's representatives within the Biafra territory. You know go easy, you know go easy. Then you see another one. The sit at home will therefore take place in the following order. Make you pay attention. Make you no be like say you know hear am because I say na ada go chinti na yesu, and another one as na wetin I want talk now go make you laugh as na also abro maka nwanyi ukwike. No mbos nwanyi ukwike also su ka nwanyi ukwike ya mu yo melo nwe and nke as na abro sa na bo nwanyi na agba achiali anaka. E go hot. So as it be they say na from as they say am now. Look at it. He said the sit at home will therefore take place in the following order: Monday, 3rd July 2023 to Wednesday, 5th July 2023. He said there will be a total lockdown in Biafra land Thursday, 6th July 2023. Total lockdown. That's break. All Biafrans market will open Friday, 7th July 2023 to Monday, 10th July 2023. He said there will be a total lockdown. This one go hot too. So as you listen to this thing, make you pay attention. Meanwhile, the people will be say they there for Enugu State. The governor will be saying Nena Peter Mba don't come mobilize, come carry katakata people. Say they put security together. Say anything. Will be say go cause it at home for Enugu State again. Say himself man no go support him. Him don't carry police, them put body serve. They don't merchandise police, merchandise army, merchandise mopo, merchandise DSS. Say make the tuama, make the follow through. Say anything we solve. Say themselves they go carry on with their head. But the thing where we say they be say police na somebody papa, army na somebody papa. Soldier na somebody papa, DSS na somebody papa, come be somebody mama and somebody pekin. Someone never say make nobody put body say if you put body serve na woto say you go collect, say make everybody go inside, make everybody sit down. Say the reason why they do this thing be say make people know say number one be say make the release and the mazin and the kind of sharply without wasting any time. Say number two be say make people know say the people will be say they dey for Biafra land only the Biafra government in exile na in they obey. He say another one be say make people the world know say Biafrans want take their destiny into their hand. Get another one where in talk say that one be say make people know say himself will be Simon Eba and I be leader. But one thing will surprise me, see the thing see the last paragraph of this information. He say we hereby call on all market leaders to strictly adhere to this order and treat it with utmost seriousness. We also call on all oil companies operating in the Biafra territory to shut down oil exploration on this date to avoid anger of Biafran people, which may come with heavy consequences. They say the anger go follow with heavy consequences, so they call on oil people. Be say they dey for Biafra land. Say make all of them close. Say make they no work. E go hot. So as you hear this news, you must say say those days where we dey small, even ourselves. We thank criers and about then I call again. We be say they go now announce news. Now what thing we they do now? Our work. No be any work. We no get work. Now to they bring you news. They call again for you. And I got culture again. I go. I see your face you. I see no one virtually mechi. No one na unu. No one actually funu. I see no one biakwalo. Nya melonwe. I see on no kwa. Nyakali bio na so they talk am that time for village. If you to say you grow for village, you go understand the thing wey beside they won't tell you. But some of them no grow for village. I know say some of our fans, some of our listeners wey be say they will dey for this Zimbabwe. I greet you now. Some of them grow for American. Only burger you dey chop. How many times you don't come back, come chop fufu? Now why your brain they like white man brain, they think like white man, you know, they think like black man. It's still good for you, because now so they be. Meanwhile, I got the also my all here because na be careful also wala. And them all gonna fuel subsidy day, and here I go back because I no got enough fuel. Where we say I go, they carry you, they go. But if you say you want buy me fuel, that one still there for you. I go still they carry you the waka, or I make I run and through.